Got my mannequin head. And I mainly got this because I needed something to practice on. Because I tell people that I do hair, but then they ask me, well, okay, well, do you know how to do this? And do you know how to do that? Like knotless, do you know how to braid over dreads and stuff like that? And I tell them no, because I don't have anyone to practice on. I have sisters, but they get their hair done by other people. I have a daughter, but she's only 4. And I'm not going to be doing all that on her hair. So, and if you can hear, that's them talking in the background. So, I got this because there's lots of styles that I would like to do, but I don't want to do them on myself just because I feel like it doesn't fit me. And, you know, you just got to know what's for you and what's not for you. And certain styles that I do want to do just aren't for me. They don't fit my head shape or nothing. So I got a black one, of course. And I got her off Amazon. And her hair is supposed to be 14 inches. So this looks pretty good. I saw a few people complaining about shedding though. It says that it's human hair. It's not 100% human hair because I'm pretty sure if it was, it would be way much more higher. But yeah, it's human hair. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good up in here. It looks real, like a real scalp. Not, you know, one of those little Barbie dolls that you get from Walmart or the dollar store where they have all kinds of big spaces and bald spots in them. So yeah. That looks pretty good. And I'm mainly just going to be doing braids because I do braids and natural hair. I don't do weaves or sew-ins or anything like that yet because I don't wear those, so I wouldn't know nothing about it. Her shedding doesn't seem too bad right now, just for me finger combing it. I mean, like, it's a mannequin head, but what you expect? It's not like it's grown from a human head, so it is what it is. It shouldn't be too bad. It does come with this clamp. And I'm just putting this out there because I had no idea where to look for me a mannequin head. I know whether to go to the beauty supply store or Amazon or eBay. And I just took a chance and took one off of eBay. I have no idea how to set this up, but we gonna figure it out. I think this ball part goes inside of the head. So I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, so I have no idea how to put this little thing together. I feel like I'm missing a piece, but probably not. The only thing that I done figured out is this part right here. Screws onto here, I believe. And this is the little clamp right here. So, yeah, this is the only part that I done figured out. And then you just screw that on there. Kind of works just like my practice hand. Just screw that on. And there's this little piece right here, but I don't know if it goes right here. And you set her head onto this because there's like a ball up on her hair, but this is too big for this. But then I fit it in this way and it fits perfect, but then you can't fit it right there. So I don't know. I'm confused. If y'all buy her, just let me know because I don't know how she sits, but for now she's just gonna sit right here just like that. Which is not convenient because, you know, you gotta have some hold. And I just want to show you guys how full her hair is. Just like a normal person's head. She doesn't have any bald spots that I see as of right now. This is the back. So yeah, her head is pretty full. She looks good. And as I could see from the reviews, it looked like people were dyeing, cutting, straightening, and doing all kinds of stuff to her hair. So I won't be doing none of that. I'll just probably be braiding, but it looks like you can do a good amount of stuff. Because the hair, you can tell it's not 100% human, but you know, it looks good. Yep, I like it. The only issue that I have is I can't figure out what the hell this does. I know it's not supposed to be just sitting up all wobbly and jiggly like this, and this can't fit this way, so I have no idea. And they have no type of instructions or no one has reviewed putting it together, so it's just gonna be what it is. But that's all I'm gonna show you guys. I like it. I also wanted to add that when I was talking about the shedding earlier, when I do finger comb through her hair, she does have shedding, but it's very minimal. And this doll cost me like around 34 bucks on Amazon. I think it was like 33.99 or something like that, but with taxes it was like about 34 or 35. I don't remember exactly. I'll have a link below. But I read the descriptions. They said that she sheds, and she said sheds just like just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I was thinking about getting a doll that doesn't shed and pay like around 40 or 50 bucks for a doll that didn't shed. But I also looked at those reviews as well, and they also said that she said that the doll sheds. So, you know, you can either pay $30. I mean, like, you know, about $34, $35 for a doll that sheds. Or you can pay about $40 to $50 for a doll that sheds. So, might as well go for the cheap one. They both gonna shed. Either way it goes. I chose this one. Okay, so I figured it out. Before you screw on this piece to your clamp, you just put this ball in there and then you screw this on. And then you put your mannequin head on this. So you go ahead and grab her. And that's how you do that. And she sits there just perfect.